It's time I say goodbye. I know I haven't posted in a few weeks, but I wanted to tell you guys what's been going on with me and give you guys an update. I'm making this one from my heart, so I hope you guys hear me till the end. I started making content 9 years ago, and the goal was to help others and get paid a lot in the process. In 2021, I was working as a software engineer, so I did this part-time for 4 years, and I was making $167,000 a year. When I quit that job to go all in April 2021 on my social media business, I was only making about $1,000 a month, but I believed that I could figure it out along the way. But what actually happened was way different. Before I quit my job, I was able to save money and buy properties. And so when I quit and I stopped having that money coming in and being able to save multiple thousands of dollars a month, my ability to save money and buy properties declined. And so in order to solve that problem, I was like, let me put more effort into my social media business because that's what's making me live right now. But I had little to no success. I offered one-on-one coaching, group coaching, 6-month mentorship, year-long mentorship, my book, my rental property calculator, communities, memberships, classes. I even did a service where I would help you buy your first investment property and I would do all the work. You just need to like sign the docs and give me the money. None of them worked to a point where I can make enough money from these things to really make it make sense. And this whole time, my real estate portfolio was suffering because I couldn't put any more money into it. And I was spending all my time, effort, and focus on growing this content business. And so I let my family down, I let myself down because they were depending on me to grow this thing. And back in March, I made a video where I talked about an aha I had where I wanted to take this page and turn it to something more personalized where you can see behind the scenes of me actually achieving this goal, maybe talking about health things, maybe talking about relationship things, anything that's related to my goal about real estate. So it wouldn't just be all focused on real estate. Instead, it'd be all focused on this goal of helping my dad and my mom retire and then set up my future families for success. And that's still my goal, and long term, I want to do that. But since I moved to Massachusetts about 2 months ago, my schedule has been insane. I'm running around looking at properties on the phone 24/7, and I'm coming home fried at the end of the day, my brain barely functioning. I can't really put effort into coming up with creative ideas on how to grow on social media and how to improve this business. Now I'm learning a ton about real estate, and that's great because that's exactly what I needed to help fuel the content, but I just don't have the time then to put it towards the content and make this big change I wanted to make. And see, while I focused on making better content, I couldn't become a better real estate investor. I was only one person, so it was really hard to focus equally on both of these things. One thing would always have to take the priority over the other. And right now, I have a great opportunity. I'm getting to stay at Kev's house for free. Thank you, Kevin. And I have a great opportunity right now with Matt and Kevin to learn a lot while at the same time make potentially a lot of money if we do things right. Going back to how much I made in that job that I quit, in order to make the same amount that I was making at that point in time, in today's dollars with inflation, I would have to be making $255,000 a year. Well, this social media business has only generated me $110,000 to $120,000 a year for the last 3 years. That's revenue, not profit. My profit, according to my tax returns, was somewhere around $36,000. And so it's been really hard to go from the cost of living of $255,000 to $36,000, and I've cut a lot out in that way. But it's still not enough. And so I haven't been able to make it work. And so I'm admitting defeat. And it's time that I stop trying to force it to make it work and focus on something that will actually bring me money and lots of learning. And on top of that, the last few years has brought me a lot of challenges that I've been growing through personally, like in my relationships, friendships, and in my health. I'm literally the fattest I have ever been. And so I'm taking these next few months to work on my business and give it my focus so I can get out of this hole, come back with more knowledge, more stability financially, so I can really expand my portfolio, make myself a better real estate investor, and then come back and make better, more unique content that I'm actually inspired to make like I was when I started. And I might still be making some posts here and there, stories, videos. They'll probably be sponsored. So if you see them, please engage with them and share them with other people and work with those sponsors because they're the reason why I'm able to make videos. But if you really enjoyed my content, you've been following me for a while and you're gonna miss it, feel free to leave a comment here or a message on how I might have impacted you. Maybe you bought a property. Maybe I inspired you to get started, because I'm trying to get back in touch with that initial feeling I felt when I started out, that drive of when I started this page and wanting to make money while helping other people get started. And so for now, I'll see you guys later.